Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about friend functions in C++. Okay, what is friend function and why do we use them? Okay, you will get the answer of this question at the last of this video. So I'm gonna make this as my comment. Okay, so the basic part is iostream using name space std Let me quickly define my class. Okay, this class has got private members int a comma b, and I will be using a constructor. I have made a separate video about constructor. If you wish to see that, you can see. Okay, I will initialize the value of a as x and value of y, value b as y. Okay, so I want to make a function that actually can access the private members of this class, which I have named my class. Okay, so that function will be access. Okay, the function's name is access, and that will access the private members of this class through an object. So this function parameters should be my class, so that it will be able to access the private members a comma b through this object which we passed. Okay, my class x. So what I will be doing here, cout sum is equal to x dot a plus x dot b. Okay, this is my function, and which I will be declaring this as a friend function inside my class. Okay, so for that I use a keyword friend and just a simple function declaration access, and type is my class. Okay. So by writing this, I will be actually be able to access these private members through this function with the bypassing actually the object of that type. Okay, this is all about the friend function part. Okay, so let's quickly create an object. So my class object. Okay, I created, and as soon as I create object, so the value of a comma b should be initialized, and for that I have created a constructor. This is nothing but is a constructor for initializing value of a comma b. Okay, so as soon as this object is created, the value of a comma b should be initialized. For that I will pass 3 comma 4. Okay, so what does this line does is this puts a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So next time I will be doing so I will be accessing these values 3 comma 4 of the object obj by this function, void access function, which is not really the member function of that class, but it's been declared, and it's a function which has nothing to do with this class, but this function has been declared as a friend function, so it will be able to access these values of a comma b. So how shall I call that function? I will simply write the name of that function, and then, so what's the parameter of this function is my class. So this function will take object of type my class. So what's my object is obj, and as soon as I passed this object to this function, what does this do? This does the summation of those private members and prints out sum is equal to sum of a comma b. So okay, let's see the output.